Hello, my name is Brandy Brown. I'm a business analyst with ETS, and I'm here to share a sampling of Benefits 24/7 with you today. When you are first prompted going into Benefits 24/7, you are to go to Secure Access Washington to set up a username and password and run through your security questions in Benefits 24/7. I have done so today, so now we're just going to go in and log in. We will click on the Login to Benefits 24/7 button. And we are on the SAW page where we are going to enter the username that we have already set up. Here it's going to give you a multi-factor authentication code, and it will be sent to the email that you indicated. So you just click on that tab, and that code will be sent to your email. Once you have that code, you go ahead and paste that right in there and hit submit. Once you have completed that, you will be sent to your employee dashboard. As you can see, we have employee Smith, who is with the Washington Healthcare Authority. The top deep purple bar here shows you different tabs that you can click on to view information. On your dashboard, there are tiles. Each tile has a brief description of what you can expect to view in that tile, and you can just click on them and see. The next thing I would like to show you is how to submit a special open enrollment. And today we're going to click on this, which gives you, again, a brief information on what this tile has. If you click on this link, it would give you information on what is a qualifying event for a special open enrollment. Hit the drop-down list, which has multiple types of qualifying events. Today we're going to do a birth or adoption. We're going to state that our baby was born on 1/25/2024. And we're going to go ahead and click Add New Event. Here you will see that it's in draft. If we scroll down even further, we will go through each of these milestones one by one. The first one asks, do we have a dependent to add to the account? Yes, we do. So we're going to hit the next button. Here is where we're going to enter our dependent information. So the first name, we're going to put baby, how original. And then the last name, Smith. The birth date, again, was 1/25/24. We're going to make our baby a female. It's a child. Here is where you can enter in a social. If it's just a brand new baby that doesn't have a social as of yet, you can hit this checkbox and proceed. Just remember, you will need to update this at a later time frame. We do not have a different address to input for this dependent. It's the same as the subscriber. So we're going to go ahead and check that box and proceed to adding coverage to our dependent. Here we're going to add medical and dental. You can also indicate if this is an adopted dependent. This would be the checkbox to do so. Today, our dependent is not adopted, so we're going to go ahead and proceed to the dependent review. The dependent review indicates that we elected medical and dental. Tobacco use, no. Spousal, not applicable. We're going to save and finish this dependent. It shows that we have successfully added baby Smith. And do we have any additional dependents to add? We're going to indicate no, because we do not. So we're going to go ahead and proceed to the next. Here it shows dependent information and what we have elected, and you can edit here if you so need to. Here it just gives brief information, but we're going to go ahead and click Let's upload our documents for our dependent. Kind of gives a brief information. We're going to go ahead and select the file. It's a birth certificate. We're going to click that it belongs to baby Smith, and it's for the birth and adoption. And now we're going to upload and confirm our changes. Here's a brief information of confirmation. Proceed to elect. Here, if you indicate that you want a medical change, you can do so. However, we are not going to today. Or your dental if you so wish. Here's your confirmation of elections, but we're not done quite yet. So we're just going to make sure that the coverage effective date is correct and that the medical dental plans are correct. And then we're going to confirm and let's complete our tobacco attestations. This gives information on the premium surcharge. We're going to elect no. Your legal notice, tobacco use premium surcharge, we're going to confirm. Here's your summary of coverage elections. It just shows everything that you indicated. If everything looks correct, we can hit next. Summary of coverage elections continued. Here's the legal notice. We're just going to confirm. Here is where you can download elections just for confirmation for yourself. And then you will submit your request. Here it shows on your account changes that you entered a birth or adoption and that it's in pending status and waiting for review. The next steps is for your benefit administrator to go into their SOE portal and Benefits 24/7 and review your election requests, and they can approve or deny at that point. We want to go back to the dashboard. And now the next thing I want to show you is the tab at the very bottom, Retiring Continuation Coverage. This is where you can go in and request to enroll in either retiree, continuation coverage, or our unpaid leave. You can go ahead and click that tile, and it will come up with 3 larger tiles. Each tile has a brief description of what that is. If you want retiree insurance coverage, you would create your request here. For PEB continuation coverage, you would create your request at this tab, the purple tab, and then again for unpaid leave. That concludes our presentation. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.